Hey everyone, John here. This is pre-market picks for June 2nd. Taking a quick look at S&Ps, we're still staying above all moving averages. Nasdaq pulled back slightly, but we're still holding up just fine. Diamonds up another 23 cents. Russell 2000 up over $2. And transports are up another 26 cents. Jumping over to some symbols, first one I want to talk about is AER. So AERCAP. We have a nice three-price relationship right around 53.43. And looking on the hourly chart, we're getting up above that 200 moving average. So what you can do, you can just position size correctly. You don't always have to buy a full share. You can always find exchanges and brokers that can help you buy fractional shares. And set your pivot low as that stop. Jumping over to some fundamentals. They are in the airports and air services industry. Coming out from Ireland. They've been around since '95. Jumping over to their numbers, you can see last year they also took a loss. At the same time, I think that a lot of places are opening up. This may be a company poised to go up higher because if you look at their earnings, that's a very solid earnings. So over here, you're talking about 20% of top line revenue, right? And if you can pull that off, and a couple days ago, we also talked about another company that was doing just equipment rentals, United Rentals, and they're kind of in their similar niche, except with airplanes. So you guys can find more about this company on their website. Jumping over to another symbol. So Ironwood. We talked about this, but we were looking for that staircase lower into that three-price relationship, and now we are getting it. Now it's all about if we can get that trigger on the 15-minute time frame. So what you want to do with this chart, if you're interested in Ironwood, you want to make sure the 8 is going to cross against that 34 moving average and get up above this cluster of price movement, and you can establish a series of higher highs and higher lows on the smaller time frame to give you that trend follow, the confirmation to go long. So that's what you're going to do with Ironwood. And then we also going to talk about SHO again because it came up on my radar. And this one I still think that is a decent. It's been consolidating for a number of months now, the sideways pattern. And perhaps it's ready to poise to be going up, right? And kind of like what AMC was doing. It was kind of like doing the sideways thing, and then all of a sudden decides to take off. I don't know if it's going to happen. You never know what's going to happen, right? But you just got to have a plan in place. And if you take a small loss, you take a small loss and move on. No big deal. Gold, we're trading right at 1900. So staying up above all moving averages on the daily chart. And silver, just slightly below 28. Let's see if the rest of this week I'll be able to recapture that 28, maybe move into 29s, 30. It's one step at a time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. We're coming out with these pre-market picks and also videos on cryptocurrency. Look forward to hearing from you in the comment section, and I'll talk to you soon.